Travelers and the Boat. A group of travelers arrived at the seaside and decided to build a raft to cross the sea. They walked up a mountain to cut down a tree. Suddenly, one of them noticed something floating in the middle of the sea and told the rest.
I think we don't have to waste our time anymore. Look at that. There's a boat coming.
So, the travelers decided to wait for the boat hopefully. They waited all day long until they fell asleep. When the morning came, they walked to check at the beach. What they saw there was only a log. One of them said,
Impossible. How could it be a log?
Then another said,
If only we had built the raft yesterday, we could have sailed by now.
The moral of the story: do not expect the future. Do things in the present.